Oh, sorry. Mom, I did this.
Yeah, I like to get a picture of you. You can just keep playing. What you playing?
It
Who you playing with?
with them.
Well, who are they?
Don't have a name.
Well, are they babies?
Yeah.
Which one's a boy or a girl?
This one is a boy. This one is a girl. This one is a boy.
Oh, who are you?
Maddie.
Well, are you the mommy or are you another baby? Or are you the babysitter? Or are you the daddy? Or
I'm like the babysitter.
the babysitter?
Yeah.
Where did their mommy and daddy go?
Somewhere at the grocery store.
Oh. Well, what are you doing with those babies?
We need somebody to take a picture to them too.
Okay, we'll pull them in here.
And like her and her and her and these these always see them over here.
Okay.
And not me.
Oh, I'm taking a picture of the babies. But I heard you say somebody was going to get married.
Hers a girl, hers is a boy, and they're gonna marry them. But this is for him. This is for him. Someone do it. You need it. You need it on now. Okay?
Well, do your best.
And I'm gonna do. We need this. We need this. We need this. Okay, I'm ready
Ready for what?
for my babies. Not me, I'm not gonna laugh. You be laughing and them will be laughing, but not me.
Okay.
They're laughing now.
Are they?
Because her legs, they take a picture.
Oh, they
This
do?
many times, like too many.
Oh.
But we are going to do them because I'm trying to find nachos.
You don't like nachos.
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yeah. Now I have friends.
Do they like nachos?
Yeah.
Or can they play at Discovery Zone?
Yeah. But they'll have to watch it sometimes. But sometimes they sit down and eat. But we need a chair for them, a big chair for them. We need one, okay? Bring a big chair for them. We can put the big chair. We need a high chair, and so they can stay with them, and they can get free ones, and put them in the bed, and her, and me. But I'm gonna have a chair and go on my knees.
You are. Don't you want to play at Discovery Zone?
Yeah, today.
What part do you want to play on?
On the big part.
Oh.
And jump on it, and jump on this side, and jump on this side. So tell everybody, and not so loud, just soft, and tell those two boys to get out. Tell. Hey! I'm take you down that, take it off.
Why?
I want you to, cause I didn't go on my bicycle.
No, you didn't because you started playing.
But after a while we'll go.
much does it cost to go to Discovery Zone?
I don't know.
Well,
Maybe like, hey, $400.
400?
Yeah. $400. We have to put this away.
I guess you'll have to write a check.
Can you give me a pen? Mom, can you give me a pen?
Do you have a check?
Yeah. It's right here.
Uh-huh.
Can
Well,
you give me it?
just do it pretend.
No, I need one. Mom, I need one.
Okay, well, I'll get you one in a minute.
I'll just look at this. Mom,
Uh-huh.
now take a picture of us. Yeah. I'm gonna look for some. Maybe it's, hey, look at this.
Uh-huh.
Mom, look at it.
It's an angel. Just like you.